Did you know that over 80% of people who use baking soda don't know its most powerful uses? It's true. Many families aren't taking full advantage of this common ingredient, which costs just a few cents per use. Many experts consider baking soda one of the world's most underrated remedies. Think about it. How many times have you used baking soda for cooking or freshening the fridge without thinking about what else it could do? What if I told you this simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses that could completely change how you think about health? What are we all missing out on? And why aren't people talking more about baking soda's real capabilities? Few people know the remarkable health benefits of baking soda, which we'll explore in this video. I'll also highlight essential safety precautions and identify exactly who should be careful when using baking soda. If health is important to you and you want to make informed choices, stick with us. Hi, if you're new to our channel, before we explore the health benefits of baking soda together, let's connect. Remember to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss out on upcoming content. And I want to know if you're with me, if you're watching now. If you're interested in this video, type a 1 in the comments section, otherwise type a 0. We're excited to be a part of your journey to better health, which starts right here. Oh, and mention your country in the comments to let us know where you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. Alright, let's get started. The amazing health benefits of baking soda. First off, baking soda is known for its detoxifying properties. Its uses go way beyond the kitchen and household cleaning. It's often praised for its ability to support the body's natural detox processes. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, helping to neutralize acids both inside and outside the body. Baking soda baths are often used to relieve minor skin irritations, reduce itching, and soothe inflamed skin. Soaking in a baking soda solution is believed to draw out impurities, leaving the body more balanced and the skin refreshed. While there's limited scientific evidence to support the detoxifying skin effects of this home remedy, many users report feeling significantly better and more comfortable. The story gets more interesting when it comes to internal use. Some health experts suggest that drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can alkalize the blood and urine, helping the body get rid of toxins. This has some scientific backing, especially for certain medical conditions. For example, research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda supplements helped slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. This suggests that baking soda, when used under medical supervision, can improve natural detoxification, especially for those who need help managing acid levels. Remember though, your body is already pretty good at maintaining pH balance, and significant dietary changes can be challenging. Moderation is key, as excessive baking soda consumption can have negative effects. When used correctly, baking soda offers a gentle and affordable way to support the body's natural cleansing processes and provide a sense of renewal. Plus, it improves oral health and whitens teeth. There's a reason why many toothpastes and home remedies contain baking soda. It's a powerful ally for dental health and teeth whitening. You've probably noticed how fresh and smooth your teeth feel after brushing with a little baking soda. This happens because baking soda acts like a gentle abrasive, removing surface stains from coffee, tea, and other foods that can dull your smile. Baking soda's gentle texture helps polish teeth without causing significant damage if used correctly. But the benefits go beyond a brighter smile. Being alkaline, baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth. This is important because acidic conditions favor harmful bacteria that cause bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. By restoring the mouth's pH balance, baking soda creates an environment less favorable to harmful bacteria, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath. Science backs up these claims. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda was significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than toothpaste without baking soda. Another study showed that baking soda can improve oral health by reducing harmful bacteria in the mouth. But moderation is key. Overusing baking soda or brushing too aggressively can gradually wear down enamel because of its abrasive nature. Dentists recommend using it only a few times a week and always with a soft, bristled toothbrush. If used correctly, baking soda offers a quick, affordable, and simple way to achieve a cleaner, whiter, and healthier smile at home. Now let's see how to relieve heartburn. Many suffer from heartburn, a common and often annoying ailment, especially after eating rich or spicy foods. Think of a dinner with amatriciana or arrabbiata. If you're not familiar with these Italian dishes, just imagine something really flavorful and maybe a little spicy. Acid reflux, which occurs when stomach acid goes back up into the esophagus, generally starts with a burning sensation in the upper abdomen and can spread up to the throat. Weight gain, pregnancy, and some medical conditions like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis can increase the risk of heartburn. Although there are many antacids on the market, a quick solution can be found in your kitchen, just like in Grandma's recipes. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it slowly is a proven method to quickly relieve heartburn. The science is simple. Being alkaline, baking soda helps neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes the discomfort. This reaction has been a popular home remedy for generations because it offers almost immediate relief. A true classic. The medical community recognizes baking soda as a fast-acting antacid. According to a review in gastroenterology and hepatology, it effectively and quickly relieves occasional heartburn. The procedure is simple and intuitive. No expensive treatments or trips to the pharmacy are necessary. All you need is a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few minutes to feel better. This simple solution is one of the reasons why baking soda remains a staple product in all Italian homes, and many others too. For those seeking quick and reliable relief from heartburn, this common kitchen ingredient can make a significant difference, allowing you to resume your day with comfort and ease. Let's talk about the amazing antifungal properties of baking soda. Fungal infections, a common problem, can show up as red, itchy, or flaky patches on your skin. Things like athlete's foot and ringworm are caused by fungus that love damp places, especially warm, moist areas like your feet. While there are lots of antifungal sprays and creams out there, baking soda offers a simple, natural solution right from your kitchen. This everyday household item has powerful antifungal properties because it can change the environment fungus needs to grow. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the skin, which weakens the cell walls of the fungus, making it hard for them to survive and spread. This isn't just an old wives' tale, there's science to back it up. A study in the journal Mycopathologia found that a solution of 10 grams of baking soda per liter stopped the growth of 80% of the fungal strains they tested. This amazing finding shows just how powerful baking soda can be as a natural antifungal agent. A simple remedy for athlete's foot is to make a paste of baking soda and water and put it right on the affected areas, or add it to a foot soak. Many people find that the itching and discomfort are reduced after just a few treatments. It's also a great choice for people who want to avoid harsh chemicals, as it's non-toxic and soothing. This affordable and easy-to-find remedy gives a helpful option for anyone dealing with stubborn fungal infections, helping to restore comfort and confidence in everyday life. Lastly, baking soda can be helpful in easing urinary tract infections, commonly known as UTIs, which often affect women. UTIs are a common and often painful problem. The burning feeling when you pee, the frequent urge to go, and the overall discomfort can really mess with your day. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people look for natural ways to ease symptoms and help with healing. Baking soda has come up as one of these helpful remedies. The idea behind using baking soda for UTIs is based on its ability to neutralize acids. When mixed with water and taken in small amounts, baking soda can make your pee less acidic. This pH change can make it harder for the bacteria that cause UTIs to grow, helping your body fight the infection. Also, less acidic pee can lessen that burning feeling that makes UTIs so uncomfortable. Some scientific research backs up this idea. A study in the Japanese Journal of Urology looked at 33 women with recurring UTIs who were treated with baking soda. After 4 weeks, many of the women said their symptoms were much better, including less pain and discomfort when they peed. While these results are promising, it's important to remember that baking soda shouldn't replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially serious ones. For those looking for extra relief alongside their prescribed treatment, baking soda can offer a gentle and affordable way to ease discomfort. However, remember that any UTI symptoms that stick around or get worse need immediate medical attention. Baking soda can be a valuable addition to your toolkit for managing urinary health and comfort. Also, it can effectively treat canker sores. If you've ever felt the sharp pain of a canker sore, you know how annoying these little mouth ulcers can be. The good news? Baking soda might be the simple and affordable solution you've been looking for. Canker sores are often caused by stress, small injuries to your mouth, or certain foods. They can make it uncomfortable to eat, drink, and even talk. Baking soda is very effective in these cases because of its unique ability to neutralize acids in your mouth and create a more balanced pH environment. This is important because an acidic environment can make the pain worse and slow down healing. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, usually half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can reduce inflammation, ease the pain, and speed up the healing process. Don't just take my word for it, science backs this up. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that baking soda mouth rinses significantly reduced pain and sped up healing in patients with recurring canker sores. Researchers noted that baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the canker sore clean and prevent bacteria from growing, both of which are crucial for healing. Plus, baking soda is gentle and less likely to further irritate the canker sore than some over-the-counter remedies. Next time you feel a canker sore coming on, try a simple baking soda rinse. It's a natural, scientifically proven method available right in your kitchen to relieve pain and promote oral health. Coming up next, how baking soda can boost your athletic performance. Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient could give you a significant edge in your fitness game? Well, baking soda has many more uses than just cleaning the sink or baking a cake. Athletes use it as a secret weapon to fight muscle fatigue and boost their performance. Here's how it works. During high-intensity exercise, your muscles release lactic acid, which lowers pH and creates that familiar burning sensation. This acidity is the main culprit behind muscle fatigue, often forcing us to stop before we're truly exhausted. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate naturally acts as a buffering agent. Taken before exercise, it helps neutralize excess acid in the muscles, allowing you to train harder and longer. This isn't just a fitness myth, there's solid science behind it. A meta-analysis of several studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that sodium bicarbonate supplements significantly improve performance in short-duration high-intensity exercises, including swimming, cycling, and sprinting. Researchers found that athletes taking baking soda could maintain peak performance for longer, and experienced a delay in the onset of fatigue, typically taking it 60 to 90 minutes before training. Athletes mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it. Starting with small doses is key, as excessive amounts can cause digestive side effects like bloating or nausea. If you're looking for a natural, scientifically backed way to boost your stamina and maximize your training sessions, baking soda might be worth a try. Remember to consult a doctor before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Give it a try and see if it makes a difference in your next workout. It could also improve kidney function. Imagine if something as simple as baking soda could nourish and protect your kidneys, especially if you have chronic kidney disease. Metabolic acidosis happens when the kidneys can't remove acid from the blood properly. This extra acid can affect overall health and make kidney disease worse in many people with chronic kidney disease. That's where baking soda comes in. It helps balance the acid in your bloodstream. By acting like a natural antacid, baking soda can reduce the strain on your kidneys and potentially slow down kidney disease by lessening blood acidity. This isn't just a home remedy, there's real science behind it. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology focused on patients with advanced chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis. Researchers found that those who took baking soda tablets daily experienced a much slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. In fact, the baking soda group had a lower risk of end-stage renal disease and needing dialysis. The study also found improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, a key indicator of the body's acid-base balance. Of course, it's important to remember that baking soda isn't a cure-all and should never be used without a doctor's supervision. Too much baking soda, especially for those with kidney or heart problems, can lead to issues like fluid retention or high blood pressure. If you or someone you know has chronic kidney disease, talk to a doctor before using baking soda as a supplement. Used correctly and with supervision, this common kitchen ingredient could have an amazing impact on kidney health and quality of life. It can also reduce arthritis pain. Think about using baking soda, a common household item you probably already have, to ease arthritis symptoms. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, causes ongoing inflammation that leads to stiffness, swelling, and joint pain, making everyday activities difficult. While many seek relief through medicine and physical therapy, new research suggests baking soda might be a practical and safe alternative. The science behind this is fascinating and promising. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a baking soda and water solution daily can affect the body's immune response. The research indicated that baking soda helps activate the body's anti-inflammatory response, reducing the autoimmune activity that causes conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both human and animal subjects in the study showed a measurable reduction in inflammatory markers and a balancing of immune cells to a less inflammatory state. Basically, baking soda can help calm the immune system and reduce joint swelling and pain, two big challenges for those with arthritis. This research opens up exciting possibilities for people with arthritis. By adding a simple baking soda drink or rinse to your daily routine, you might reduce inflammation and improve joint comfort. It's encouraging and exciting to think that such a common household item could help relieve arthritis pain. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits, this reminds us that sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest. Lastly, it helps manage gout symptoms. Gout, a very painful type of arthritis, mainly affects the big toe or other joints, causing sudden, severe pain, swelling, and redness. The main cause is high levels of uric acid in the blood, which forms sharp crystals in the joints, leading to inflammation. Managing gout often involves lowering uric acid levels and easing the pain that comes with it. This is where baking soda proves to be a surprisingly helpful home remedy. Being alkaline, baking soda can neutralize excess uric acid in the blood, reducing the formation of those painful crystals. By helping restore a more balanced pH, baking soda can lessen how often and how bad gout attacks are. According to a study in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism, alkalizing agents like baking soda can actually help dissolve uric acid crystals and help the body get rid of them through urine, providing relief from acute gout symptoms. Many people find that during a flare-up, drinking a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda helps reduce discomfort. Besides easing pain, baking soda can also reduce joint inflammation, allowing for easier, less painful movement. While baking soda can be a valuable addition to your gout management toolkit, remember to always use it under the guidance of a doctor. This makes sure you get the benefits without risking complications. So, baking soda might be the simple solution you need, right from your kitchen cupboard. Looking for a natural, science-backed way to manage gout symptoms? It can also help reduce cold and flu symptoms. During cold and flu season, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by sore throats, stuffy noses, and that lingering congestion. But did you know that baking soda, a simple and affordable ingredient, can be a powerful tool against these common illnesses? Baking soda's natural alkaline properties help break down stubborn mucus, making it easier to clear your nasal passages and breathe better. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with a constantly runny or blocked nose. One of the most effective ways to tackle colds and the flu is by gargling with baking soda. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water creates a soothing solution that helps calm a sore, irritated throat. Besides easing discomfort, gargling with this mixture helps reduce bacteria and germs in your mouth and throat, making it harder for viruses to multiply. According to research published in the Journal of the American Dental Association, regularly gargling with a baking soda solution can significantly reduce sore throats and microbial presence, helping you recover faster from upper respiratory infections. Baking soda can also be added to saline nasal rinse solutions to further combat congestion. It helps neutralize acids and thin mucus, boosting your body's natural defenses and speeding up recovery. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, consider baking soda. It's a gentle, science-backed remedy that can make a real difference in how quickly you bounce back from colds and the flu, proving that sometimes the best medicine is right there in your kitchen cupboard. It might also enhance cancer treatments. While it may seem surprising, there's growing scientific interest in the potential role of baking soda in cancer treatment. Cancer cells are known to thrive in acidic environments, which can make them more resistant to certain treatments. Due to its natural alkalizing properties, baking soda has been studied for its ability to change the pH around cancer cells, potentially reducing the conditions that allow cancer to spread. One of the most interesting studies on this topic was published in Cancer Research in 2009. Scientists found that giving baking soda to mice with metastatic breast cancer significantly reduced tumor acidity. This pH change inhibited the spread of the cancer and made the cancer cells more sensitive to chemotherapy. The findings suggest that baking soda could improve the effectiveness of conventional cancer treatments by counteracting the acidic microenvironment to improve patient outcomes. Currently, researchers are exploring whether antacids like baking soda can be safely incorporated alongside chemotherapy or other treatments. It's important to emphasize, however, that this research is still in its early stages. While the results in animal models are promising, more human clinical trials are needed before baking soda can be recommended as part of a standard cancer treatment protocol. Rather than viewing baking soda as a miracle cure, it should be seen as a potential tool that could eventually complement existing treatments. If you or a loved one are undergoing cancer treatment, always consult with your healthcare team before trying new supplements or remedies. Here's a natural deodorant. If you want a quick and all-natural way to stay fresh all day, baking soda is a simple and effective solution, right from your kitchen. Unlike many commercial deodorants that contain chemicals and artificial fragrances, baking soda absorbs excess moisture and neutralizes the acidic compounds in sweat that cause bad odors. By creating an unfriendly environment for odor-causing bacteria, it keeps you smelling fresh, even on your busiest days. The effectiveness of baking soda as a natural deodorant is scientifically supported. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that baking soda, applied topically, significantly reduces underarm odor. Researchers found that the alkaline properties of baking soda effectively neutralize unpleasant smells by counteracting the acids produced by bacteria and perspiration. Plus, baking soda is great for those with sensitive skin, or for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals. Free of aluminum, parabens, and artificial fragrances, baking soda offers a simple and skin-friendly deodorant solution. Just apply a small amount under your arms, by itself, or mixed with a little coconut oil. You'll find it keeps you fresh and dry, even in hot weather or during physical activity. For those seeking a natural and eco-friendly approach to personal care, baking soda is a popular choice. While skin reactions can vary, some may need to test their sensitivity. If you're ready to say goodbye to chemicals, try baking soda. It's a simple, scientifically proven way to stay fresh and confident all day long. Who should exercise caution? Even though baking soda has many health benefits, it's important to understand that it's not right for everyone, especially if used in large amounts or regularly. Some people need to be extra careful, both for internal and external use. For example, people with kidney problems need to be careful because of the sodium content in baking soda. People with reduced kidney function may have trouble getting rid of excess sodium, leading to water retention and other complications. Also, those with high blood pressure should be cautious. The sodium in baking soda can raise blood pressure, posing a risk for those already managing hypertension. Similarly, those with gastrointestinal issues like acid reflux, ulcers, or gastritis should talk to a doctor before using baking soda, as it can change the stomach's pH and make these conditions worse. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use baking soda with caution. Too much can upset electrolyte balance, with possible consequences for both mother and baby. Also, anyone with known allergies or sensitivities should start with small amounts of baking soda, as it might cause skin irritation or digestive problems. Finally, baking soda powder can irritate airways and worsen respiratory conditions, so people with breathing problems should avoid inhaling it. In all cases, moderation and proper guidance are key. If you fall into one of these groups or have any health concerns, it's best to talk to a doctor before adding baking soda to your daily health routine. As you can see, baking soda is much more than just a household ingredient. It's a powerful and versatile remedy that can support your health in many surprising ways. Its benefits, which range from treating gout and soothing a sore throat to improving athletic performance, are supported by both science and tradition. Just think, even our grandparents used it. However, remember to use baking soda in moderation and to consult a doctor if you have any questions or specific health conditions. Have you ever tried using baking soda for any of these remedies? Or do you have any personal tips to share? Maybe some old family remedies? Leave your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. We appreciate your support and interest in our channel. We've picked 2 videos just for you to continue your learning journey. Click on one of them and we'll see you there.